maybe that's just where you're at. I never
One day out.
asked.
So we're here
Tell
now
me
sa
that I'll meet
Hotshot. So excited to try our third meal. So finally done with last cardio for prep. Today is 4 days out and this is my last cardio. I'm so happy.
Tell me that I'll meet somebody.
My first time to do full body bath. Good luck so much.
The journey, but you know what really hurts me, that you think I don't know that already. Have a plan you want.
Morning everyone! So today is 3 days out before the competition and tapos na yung pinakamahirap na part, yung cardio na intense, tapos na siya kahapon.
Okay, bukas chill na lang. Mga 500, kahit split mo na yung 500 cardio, 250, 250. Tapos Friday, wala na lahat. Wala na workout, wala na. Pwede ka mag-posing. Pero Sabado pa yung carb up.
So today, onti na lang, 500 calories to burn. Last workout day for today. Oh my gosh, so happy. Tapos yun, chill na lang Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then, yung water, 3 to 4 liters na lang. And then, bababa pa siya in the next day. So actually, medyo smooth naman itong peak week ko. Sadyang lang, mababa pa rin yung energy kasi I'm still on 0 carbs. More than 1 month na ata akong 0 carbs. Tapos magka-carb up lang ako ulit on Saturday. So, samahan niyo ako sa gym later for my last gym day. Black coffee to keep me alive for the day. On our way to my last gym day. It's second to the last. Let's go.
I told you I was fine, but you gave me those eyes like I'm a lost cause. Tell me that I'll meet somebody. People talk about my body, that it's all part of the journey. Tell me that I'm worthy.
2 days out. Let's go. Okay, so nag-impake na ako kagabi ng mga gamit. And, okay, hindi siya kasya ng bags lang. Kailangan ko ng maleta. Later, magpapa-nails lang ako. Facial, laser, and all. Then, susunduin na ako ni Boy Fee. Tapos, doon na kami sa kanila. And then, mag-check-in na ng hotel tomorrow. So, update. Nandito na kami sa house ng boyfriend ko. Kasi tomorrow, pupunta na kami ng Manila to check-in for 1 day out. At least, check-in time is 6 a.m. So, nakakapagod kung babiyahe pa kami ng ganun kaag. Mag-check-in na kami ng Saturday up to Monday. So, activity for today, Friday, 2 days out is rest day na lang. Ginawa ko kanina is all things preparation for the competition, which is nails, tapos nag-facial na din ako, and underarm, laser. Tapos, yung food, ganun pa rin, focus yung carb up. Pero yung water, down to 3 liters na siya. And tinanggal na yung mga supplements and whey protein since wala naman ng workout. Ngayon, pahinga muna, chill, mag-rest lang, and waiting game na lang till show day.
Caramel sauce. Ew, it's bubbling out like magma. Wilford Brimley is crying right now.
So, share ko lang. Dapat matutulog ako, nap to recharge. Kaso hindi ako makatulog kasi iniisip ko carb up tomorrow. Iniisip ko kung ilan yung rice. So, hinihintay ko yung protocol. Kaya, hindi ako makatulog. I'm thinking about rice for tomorrow. Our last meal for today, 2 days out, and tomorrow, meron na tong rice. Yay! Practice. Oh! Akon mamaya ang bukas. Hi everyone! 1 day out. So, akala ko talaga is rice yung carb up ko. Turns out, kamote pala. Pero okay lang, 5 meals with kamote. It's still carbs. Bukas na lang yung rice, cookies, and all. At least my carbs. This is after 1 meal with carbs. Oh my God! Lumalabas na siya. So happy. Let's go! Second meal with carbs. Kiss mine. Everything is set. On the way now.
No way, shit too lit. Let me tell you little niggas what it is because I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh my god, this is we ready. We ready.
So we're here na sa hotel. Saktong size lang ng hotel pero okay lang. Kailangan lang namin makatulog ng malapit dito kasi 6 a.m. call time ng athletes. So, inayos ko na yung gamit namin. Ito yung meals ko for today. And, wala, extra lang. Just in case. Egg, fish, chicken, with kamote. And water. Water ko is 1.5 liters lang for today. Then, ito na yung mga cheap food. Pwedeng kainin bukas after ng show. Cookies. Tapos ito pala, yung cookies ipapamigay ko sa mga friends ko na nag-compete din sa mga nag-support sa amin. So, today is puro posing practice na lang kami later. So, ito yung room. Super small lang siya, pero sakto lang to stay 2 nights para malapit kami sa venue. Eating our third meal for today with carbs. Yummy.
Sheesh.
What are you ordering?
Secret.
Ay, pingi ako.
Out for delivery na.
Zananenas! Yummy! Yay! Got the goods. Open. Unboxing. Yummy!
Whoop.
Yummy, guys! Yummy! Ang tagal ko nilakain yan. OMG. Tomorrow. Anong flavor?
Triple cheese.
Yummy! I want tomorrow. Babawanin mo natin yan sa show day.
Oo naman.
So happy! Yes, thank you. The cookies is here. This is yours.
Yay.
And this is mine.
God!
Let's open. Unboxing. Uy, may freebies. Oh, actually.
Sana all, sana wala.
A sprinkle of gratitude is making its way to you. Thank you so much for just sprinkles. To Jumble, first competition. Wowers, you guys have been working so hard. You deserve a medal. Ayun sa'yo mo. Made
No,
entirely of
it's a set.
cookies. Kaya, ako nagawa niya. Ang sa'yo mo pa din. Remember, you're already winners for crushing all the workouts and staying disciplined. Shine bright on stage, but most importantly, have a total blast. You got this.
Shine bright,
Let's
laging
go!
na.
Let's open the cookers.
Dapat sa'yo may freebies, sana wala.
Sugar. Baka kasi ako na-order. I don't know. Hati tayo.
Racist. Joke.
Sprinkle cookies. Congrats! Ay, ang cute. May pa-congrats. Bebe.
Sinira ako ng box.
It's okay.
Sana all.
Oh, my goodness. It's so big.
Ay, meron din ako.
Oh, be patient lang daw kasi. Sa ilalim. I love it. So excited to try this. From Sprinkles Sweet Shop. s'mores. Lotus. Premium red velvet.
I would even if I tried. For the sake of time, just give me a ride. I know it's not always easy. Time slows, still trying to find the bridge.